Did you have a good workout? Oh. On Cameo? You're shy. Is that what it says? It's a good day? Huh? Huh? Is that the best part of the day? Yeah. Alright. She says another one of the safe horses. Bound and determined to learn how to yawn better than any horse I've ever met. It's a thing here at Safe, isn't it? We work on our yawning skills. Now what are we doing? We're rubbing our nose on the ground. Are we done with the yawning? Cameo. Well, she says, let's follow the food truck. I think it's dinner time, Terry. We've got to rub you out. We're rubbing your saddle spots out. I like this part. Okay, stop creeping. Back up. We was a good girl today, weren't we? Oh, okay. What's that? What's this? Is there a box of apples? Oh, little shark. There you go. Yum. Okay. Yeah, that was even better than yawns. I'm getting an apple. Such a good girl. Yes. Hi, pretty Arabian girl.